NVD has truly been a transformative experience for me.
Probably the most valuable thing you can possibly do at Eller. It's not really going to college. You're actually going to launch your business, and that's really the feeling that it gets you.
Most people come to college to get a degree, and that's great. But if you're the kind of person that wants to build something real and get set up for success in the real world, then NVD might be exactly what you're looking for. NVD stands for New Venture Development. And for Eller students, it's also how you double major in entrepreneurship. And if you're not an Eller major, don't worry. We welcome all students, no matter your major, and we offer a certificate in entrepreneurship along with your diploma. NVD gives you the chance to take your idea and turn it into something real. And I don't mean just talking about ideas in class or writing some paper about business. I mean actually building something, testing it, improving it, getting feedback, and figuring out whether it could work in the real world. And in the process, it changes how you think.
I feel like I'm an entirely new person. This program truly formed me into the entrepreneur that I am today, and I don't think there's really any other program that would allow for me to develop not only personally, but academically, professionally, that this program has.
That's what makes the program different from anything you've done in college so far. It's not one of those classes where you memorize a bunch of stuff, take a test, and then promptly forget about everything a week later.
Most of our Eller classes are very tailored to being academic and learning the processes and the formulas, where this class is more applying it into real life and how you can use it to accelerate your career, be an entrepreneur, think innovatively. Normal classes tell you this is the textbook way to do this, and this teaches us how to think out of the box and push ourselves.
And in the end, it makes you more confident. It teaches you how to move faster, adapt faster, and be more resourceful.
You're learning entrepreneurial skills, which can help you in every aspect of business, psychology, medicine, whatever you're doing. You're given a task and you learn how to approach that task with an entrepreneurial mindset.
Even if entrepreneurship isn't your thing, this is a really valuable experience. Really anybody could be an entrepreneur if they put their mind to it and they want to put in the hard work and want to be their own leader one day. This program is probably the best thing to do that.
The cool part is you do not have to come in with everything figured out. A lot of students don't. You don't need to show up with a polished business idea or a 5-year plan. A lot of people come in just knowing they want more than the normal college experience.
It really did feel like I was stepping into a place that actually made you feel not only comfortable, but it pushed you in an uncomfortable way to bring yourself and your vision and product to the next level.
Failure here isn't getting a bad grade. Failure here is actually a successful signal that you need to just try something different.
You're not spending tens of thousands of dollars to launch a business. You're learning alongside people who have been there and done that and can help teach you.
In NBD, every team has an advisor, but we've gotten lucky enough to be able to work with all of the advisors. We've gotten feedback from everybody under the sun.
Every class, we have a new speaker come in, and that new speaker normally has some sort of industry experience or has launched a company or gone through the entrepreneurial process. So every single class, you're learning some new different part of entrepreneurship from a different person who's seen a different perspective.
Being able to talk to these people in different industries, private equity, super high net worth and high value people, is an opportunity we don't really have outside of a program that brings it to us.
I've had 0 classes in college where they took such good care of us.
Entrepreneurship isn't a straight line. It's just a giant squiggle, and you have no idea what to do some of the time. But you don't have to go it alone in NVD because we give you the guidance so that you don't squiggle off the board.
I think my favorite part about the program is the different bonds that I've formed with both students and advisors. I think everyone has good input to say, and I've learned about myself just how much I'm willing to grow based off of what someone else is telling me that they notice.
We've all become such good friends, and we all support each other. We're always cheering each other on.
I think my favorite part is the collaborativeness of the class. Our whole class is super close. We have group chats together, we talk, we hang out outside of class.
The community is incredibly special. All of the students want the same thing for each other. They want to inspire each other. They want to bring each other to the top. And I think that there's no other program that does that.
The entrepreneurship program has taught me more networking and communication skills than any course I've ever taken in my 4 years of college.
I would say it's probably the most valuable thing you can possibly do at Eller. With such an in-depth program that actually gets you involved out in the community, building a product, almost made it feel like it's not really going to college. You're actually going to launch your business, and that's really the feeling that it gets you.
So if you're the kind of student who wants to do more than just show up in class and take notes and check boxes, if you want to actually build something, if you want real world experience, real feedback, and real support, if you want to push yourself and grow in a way that feels practical and meaningful, then you're an entrepreneur. And you need an experience that can really change how you see yourself and what you're capable of doing. In NVD, entrepreneurship is not just something you study, it's something you actually do.